Macheni kironya kwa mgajuang tendarita kwe kaunti ma Kisumu korosa jiwa apedha ne achije masani ho se honoreke ndoro choratiro gotarita hechuny bomano gialora mare kanyaka sani achija uchielo sende. County Commissioner ma Kisumu Benson Lepar Murijo manoro mokod tend county ma Kisumu yango ne gisefwenyo kuonde ma jomaundu opondo kendo gibiro thicho gi oko. Oyango kuonde dak kaka Milimani, Nyahera, Obunga, Nyamasaria, Riat, Nyahera kod Mamboleo ka kuonde ma timbe maundu osemedre tend county ma Kisumu bende koro go marufuku business mag apiko machung' Milimani agawacho ni thoth jokuoge tiyo kod apiko go hemayoji.
There is no compromise whatsoever, so we are not going to relent. We are not going to spare anybody that will be found to be involved in these acts of crime, because wananchi should not be harassed. It's the role of the government to protect life and property, and this is the role of the national government. But we have just brought on board our colleagues from the county government of Kisumu to complement our efforts to work together as a team, because they have been here longer than us. They understand the area very well. So we have also been able to identify some of the persons perpetrating these acts of violence, acts of robberies and muggings. So we are going to zero in on all these persons. But so far we have about 6 of them in police custody.
Gocho chakre ma ng'ato simo tiko ng'ato timasi karmondi mama ng'ato simedhi tini ikonyo mina nega timasi mano owacho ni king'eyo ni kao ga simbe go sani police ose kelo list sani dilor sani idare di town ni no to police di deal kodi properly ntie kuon me ose njaga me ose dawa kulevia kuon go ng'e king'eyo ni ntije ne uso njaga gi dawa kulevia nikech nyithindo go kose madho njaga te magi oji mokia kata no machana kech pache koro onge dilor piyo kech police biro
bedo ni this resolution of kawuono. I don't think ni the operators ma already operating in Milimani have the information already, so if we can take today and tomorrow to get the information, share it to them nekech kawuono idhi mak gi to pok no nyisigi.